Congratulations.
Thank you.
KANINI has been recognized as one of the major contenders in Everest Group's 2025 Peak Matrix for ITSM specialist services. To begin off with our Q&A session, like how does this recognition feel?
It feels great. Thank you for asking. Everest, as you know, is one of the very reputed analyst firms, and having being recognized by them is a great honor. And I would like to thank Everest for doing so. It motivates us to do better. And I also would like to thank our team for making that recognition to come to us. I really appreciate that.
Babu, as you told, like Everest is one of the great analyst firms. So what do you think is the major strengths or milestones that helped KANINI get here?
Well, that's a great question. There is no one answer to that. There's several things that we had to do to get here. It all started with our belief in ServiceNow platform and the ecosystem. Thanks to ServiceNow to recognize us as a partner to begin with, that empowered us to start building the capabilities. So it all started with capability building, right? We obviously hired the right people, and they acquired the right certifications and trained in project management and understanding the customer requirements and fulfilling them, going extra mile. All those things matter. We always very fanatical about customer service, and we always looked for 5 out of 5 in our CSAT score. Even though we couldn't get 5 out of 5 all the time, we were pretty close to that. And even today we are maintaining 4.5 and above in our CSAT score. So all that adds up to this. And huge thanks to our customers for trusting us. Relatively smaller company compared to big boys in the ecosystem, and they took a chance on us, and we delivered. And we're happy that we delivered. And this recognition is a result of that. So that's a great question, but we're not done yet. We're still building. There are more challenges to come and bigger projects to take. And so it's an ongoing journey, and we are excited about it.
We know ITSM is a rapidly evolving space. So how is KANINI staying ahead and deliver value in this space with ServiceNow?
Let me try to explain that. Our company's DNA has always been software development, software engineering, data engineering, and AI. When it comes to a powerful platform like ServiceNow, we bring in all those capabilities, not just ServiceNow itself. So with the background that we have, our employees have, we are always unique when it comes to providing a final solution to our customers, especially AI. ServiceNow has embraced that AI-powered ecosystem now. And so we are an integral part of that. The ecosystem needs more and more people like us who understands the power of AI and guide them appropriately, not just with the hype. There is a reality and there is a hype. There are a lot of people who understand AI, and we are one among them. And so I think with that background, we can add a lot of value to not only ITSM, but the entire ServiceNow platform and in its implementation and support services. And we are very upbeat about it. And we have our CSAT shows that, our recognition shows that, and that we continue to do that. And then that is in addition to all the basic things. The basic things still matter, right? Hiring the right people, training them properly, motivating them to keep ahead of certifications, coming up with proper solutions for business problems of our customers, project management, building trust, and staying and delivering that trust as well, right? All those basic things that we have always done, we'll continue to do so. And all that combination is going to be the plan to continue to be successful in that space.
Thank you for your thoughts, Babu. So with this recognition, how do you think that this recognition aligns with your broader strategic objectives for KANINI's growth and vision?
Well, it aligns very well with our plans for growth and innovation. Whenever a reputed analyst firm like Everest recognizes us in any of their metrics, it helps build our brand, and it helps increase the trust that our customers already have on us, and the trust that prospective customers will have on us. So that's obvious that it is going to helps in our growth. When it comes to innovation, we're all, as technical people, services company, we are like artists, right? When we do good work, we need claps, and we need that recognition. Anytime when somebody recognizes our work, it motivates us to do better, and that leads to innovation.
Thank you for sharing how this recognition aligns with our Kanini's long-term goals. So before we wrap up, I would like to ask you, if you have something to tell to your partners, to your customers, and to the Kanini team before you move ahead from this milestone.
To our customers, I always say thank you. Thank you for your trust in us, and we won't let you down. For partners, thanks for empowering us in helping our customers, coming up with innovative solutions. Without your partnership, your technology platform, we wouldn't be able to provide solutions. So thank you for that. And for our team, Kanini team, you guys rock. You all are really wonderful. You are bringing in real professionalism, real skills, and a great attitude. Keep it up. Keep rocking. Thank you.